Hello to all the lovely people on my channel. How are you all today? I'll be doing an essential face tools video today. It's a highly requested one, and I'll be telling you the benefits of each one of them. And also I'll be mentioning some products, random products that can be used when you're using those tools so that the tools can be more effective, and of course it will be beneficial for the skin as well. So leaving these products aside, let's start with the face tools first. Now I'll just add a disclaimer here that each of these face tools is brought after weeks and months of research online, and they have actually worked for me. That is the reason I'm doing this video, and I hope they work for you too in case you're having issues with your skin. We should start skincare right in our 20s, but for somebody like me who is early 30s and we're heading towards the direction of where we should start taking extra care of ourselves, so yeah, I decided to invest in my skincare. And I've always had good skin, but I don't know, there is this thing with the number 30 that when you touch it, things start to change. They actually start to change. Your hair, your skin, your body, your metabolism, things do change. And it's when things change, we need to change too. So accordingly, I changed a lot of things. So the first tool that I'm going to start with is these Body Shop face sculpting tools. If you see them up close, the reason I've zoomed in this video is that you can have a look at each tool. Yeah. If you notice, there is this Body Shop logo here. Okay, and these are two metal balls. This is quite heavy. Now, the idea is that I'll also put links, how the Body Shop beauty expert or advisor is using them. That's where I saw these tools, and that's where I bought them. Now, usually people just buy one, and they use one on each jaw, on each cheek. These go in upward motions, right? Now, usually people will just buy one. Now, there was a promotion and I bought two so that, I can simultaneously work on both my cheeks, both the jaw lines, equal motions with the right and left hand. And guys, you have to believe me when I say this stuff is magic. It really is. The only thing is that you have to be consistent, like with any other treatment, like with any other product. You have to be consistent and at least 5 to 10 minutes every night. I wouldn't say night and evening, though it is recommended, but I'd say every night, and you will see a clear change just from the first use. You'll see a clear change in your skin. It'll be more supple, it'll be more toned, more tight. Okay, so we're done with this. I'll put the packaging. I've thrown the packaging. Apologies for that, but I'll be putting the picture of the packaging somewhere here so you'll have an idea of what exactly you're supposed to look for. Also in the description box, I will mention the name of this particular product, and I will put a link so you know what you should buy. Right? So we'll put this aside. Next is this tool. Now first have a look at it up close. It's an eye contour, under eye, again from the Body Shop. It's, if you see, it says Body Shop here. I don't know, the light is, yeah, the light, it's, yeah, you see that? Yes. So this is for the under eye area. Now this stuff, again, I say, this is metal. Like I just mentioned, like these were metal. This is like the same family of tools. Now it is advised to keep this, and this, is like a magnetic ball. You see that? You see that? We're going to do it again for you. Yes. So now what happens is that when you roll it around your eye area, even the ball, it will roll around. I don't know if you can see that motion. Please see it up close. You see that ball moving? Yes, it will move in your under eye area, and you don't need massive pressure. It's well, and even otherwise that you don't need to put any pressure, because anyways the under eye area is very sensitive. So you just need the slightest of pressure, and you just need to keep going like that in your under eye area, and Again, I say, guys, trust me, when you use this the next morning, your under eye is, it's lighter, it's depuffed, it's different. You will notice a difference. So yeah, I'll put the name and the box and everything here for you. So this is face tool number 2. Next comes a tool that most of us have already seen before. Ta-da! Yes, my friends. This is, now I bought it from Sephora. I also had a rip-off from a local Chinese mall, a mart, but that was a rip-off. If I can just show it to you, just give me a second. Okay guys, I'm back. Just for the purpose of this video, I've saved this tool. Trust me, I don't use it anymore. And this is, yeah. So this is my Sephora one that I bought from Sephora. That's almost, you could say, triple the price, or maybe 4 to 5 times the price of this one. This I bought from a local, as I just mentioned, a local Chinese mall. And I don't know what to say about this. Oh my god, this is so brutal to the skin. And then, it's really bad quality. It's all rusted, if you can see. And don't go for this, guys. Don't go for local sellers. Don't go for Amazon sellers. Just go for a patent shop, a patent store, because it's a one-time investment. It can last you a lifetime if you buy the right tool. So please, just for, you see all that rust, you see, and then, it just keeps coming out. It just keeps popping out. You see that? And I feel so sad and sorry for myself that I've been using this on my face. Anyways, those days are gone. And I knew I'd make a video someday, and just for the purpose. And this is so hard. Let us just compare that. This is so soft. Look at this. It's like you're rubbing, oh my god, I don't know how to explain. It's like you're rubbing some stone on your face. It's more about the surface also. This is a very smooth and polished surface, and this one is crude and rough, if you know what I mean. Anyways, so we're going to put this tool aside, and then we're just going to quickly talk about this tool. It comes with this bag, this dust bag. If you can see, it came with this tutorial which showed certain pictures on how to use this tool, which I believe there are a lot of videos on YouTube. I will put a link down so that you can have a look on how to use this particular tool. It's very easy. It's very simple. There are days when I use these. It depends on my mood. Then there are days when I'll use this tool. You just have to do something to move them. You just have to do the exercises. So it's just like that. Okay, so this was face tool number 3. And the next tool that I have to show you is the Sephora massager globes for eyes and face. I store them in the box. The reason being that this is glass, this thing is glass and it's very delicate. I use them and I put them back in the box. I just store it like this. I'm just going to show you in this video. I just store them like this. And then there is this thing, like this soft foam kind of a thing. I put it back and then I cover it again. That's how I take care of it. I thought, because I have small kids, and I thought this is the best way I can preserve it. So yeah. Now let me just show you the tool and what it really does. Now when we look at it, it just seems like, something fancy, and I wonder if it's going to do anything. Well, it is advised that you keep it in the fridge, not in the freezer. Why we love it? A 2-piece set of reusable facial ice globes. They call it ice globes that help soothe and massage your face and neck. Regular use of this set helps having a more beautiful complexion. Now, again, as I just said, I'll just take out both of them and put them next to each other for you. Okay. And how to use: keep globes in cold water or in the refrigerator, at least for 10 minutes before use. Use with your favorite moisturizer or serum on clean skin by gently rolling it around your face and neck. Clean after each use with water and soap. Pat dry with a towel. They've put a warning here: never keep in the freezer. I'll also put a video where people have demonstrated on how to use these. Keep them in the fridge. They get almost icy cold. And then when I rub them on my face, I massage it on my face along with the products, which I'll be mentioning at the end of this video. This stuff, my friends, does wonders for you. Consistency, right method of use, really gives you good results. So this was another tool that I'd like to mention. It's going back in the box. Okay, now the last two tools are left now, and the next tool that I'd like to mention here is gua sha. Has anybody heard of gua sha? Because I had not heard about it earlier. I'm pretty new to the gua sha world, friends, and this one you can buy any gua sha. The one that I bought is from a local beauty store, faces.com, and this is by the Solaris Laboratories. This is all marble and glass. Just one fall and it's gone. Now looking at it, it seems something, you know, oh, what is it going to do? But again, the right method. I'll put a link to her channel below. She's Uma from the Uma Show, and she's a face yoga expert, and she has, you know, her videos, her method. There are days when I will just, you know, be inclined towards this. And if used in the right way, it is anti-aging, anti-stress, anti-wrinkles, dark circles, freckles, skin pigmentation. This one tool can do wonders. Now this is in rose gold. I bought pink because this was pink, so I wanted pink. But I believe, you know, the green one has different properties. It says it's detoxifying, powerful, you know, the effects of the stone. We'll put links to each product's usage below, so you know how each of these products can be used. So for example, if I'll mention gua sha, then I'll put a video of gua sha. So you will know how to use this product and how I use it. So because there's so many videos out there, I just wanted to actually mention the tools here, and the usage can be easily found over the internet. That are prone to breakage or damage, I just store them in their boxes. And last, I would say, but not the least, are basic tools that I think most of us must have seen at the dollar store, and these are the basic tools. I just use them on my shoulders, my neck, at times when I'm sitting in front of a movie, in front of the TV, nothing much to do, just lounging around. I will just take this and roll it around my neck, around my chin, and just, you know, a nice, just to have some blood circulation. So the last thing that I'd like to mention here is, now that we're done with the products, I'd like to mention how should we use these products. We should always use these products with an emollient. It is recommended with a serum or a facial oil. Now what I like to use it with is, I have this Body Shop Drops of Youth. It's like a serum that is a gel-like texture. I'll show you the texture here. Product on. You see that texture? And once you put your product on, then it just helps it glide. Like for example, if I have this, it will just, you know, help the product glide. Yes, so it will basically act like a medium in between. It's easier and more effective. All right, so this is one product that I like to use, as I just mentioned, Drops of Youth by the Body Shop. Then there is this Huda Beauty Wishful Even Rose Oil. Get Even Rose Oil. I don't know if you can see it. The Body Shop Oils of Life Intensely Revitalizing Facial Oil. So these are just some products. You can use any facial oil. I've seen people using olive oil. I've seen people using almond oil for the purpose of massage. So it doesn't need to be these products, but these are just some of the products that you can use in case you're new to facial care and face yoga. So yeah, that's it. I hope you don't find this video too long. I've tried to sum up everything about facial tools. And thank you so much for being on my channel. If there are any queries, do let me know in the comments down below, and I will be more than happy to answer all your questions. Thank you so much for being on my channel. Take care. Bye.